Now let's get into the excitement. That's the Intense 5. If you don't wear your mask, you will be arrested and fined. Serious thing. Just ask the people who were arrested in Halfway Tree earlier this week.
Yep.
I love this song.
The loss of the great Black Panther Chadwick Boseman, who passed away after suffering from colon cancer. None of his fellow actors knew he was even sick because he turned up and did his thing on set. Chadwick, you will be missed. Wakanda forever.
Jamaicans and extra go hand in hand. We had some bad weather this week and there was hail in Mandeville. Of course, videos were posted. God love us with extra bad
All the time. Adele dropped with a Jamaican bikini top and the shiny bump. I feel like she's trying to tell us something. Girl, you know you're more than welcome. I don't know why people were fighting her out, but we'll adopt her. Don't worry.
Girl.
Like, come on home, Adele.
Of course, it's no longer hello, it's walk on. And finally holding the spot this week. What happened on Thursday was more than a landslide. Lots of upsets with supposed safe seats. By the way, big up TVJ and that set. Whew.
Yeah.
And of course the virtual set as well. Great job. Beyond great.
Yeah, man.
Lovely. Shot, sell out, everything. That's it for the Intense 5 for tonight. We are sure that the intensity will continue next week.